Alright, hopefully you can hear me. I got my helmet on. Woke up a bit late. We obviously got some snow. So let's go catch some lake trout and some whitefish. Enjoy the ride with me out there, boys. Alright, made it in the hut. Took me a bit longer than it usually would. We got about a foot of snow now. Let's get straight to fishing. I've never been here. This is a new area for me, so let's check it out. See how we do. As some of you seen, I went live. I've caught 2 whitefish live. I didn't have on the GoPro. As soon as I turned it off live, caught a lake trout, stock lake trout. The M&R came in as I was fighting it. I wish I had the camera on for that. The M&R and 2 OPP officers, so they saw me catch it on. And now it's about 12:30. I'll go into 1 o'clock. I'm gonna pack it up here. I like this new spot. I want to try a new area again, even shallow. Boys, I made a move. It's really nice out. The wind's died down. I'm gonna fish outside the hut. I'm gonna put you guys right on my hat. Tiny lip this comes out. My pliers here. And now we're gonna get set up for. Gonna leave this in here. Now I do like the drifter. It's a finesse bait once they're under the hole. But we're gonna try to get them on the lipless right now. And done. So you guys see first person view of what I'm doing right now, so should answer a lot of questions. Done. It's not is that quick. No need for long tag ends. This is fairly long. I'll trim them. So I got a medium heavy, 10-pound braid, 10-pound fluoro, with the vibration bait from Duos. We're gonna drill some holes. Let's see what we got. Like this. If I do decide to leave, it's good to go. That my good old trusty Humminbird never fails me. Good enough. So I'm gonna bring this out here. And definitely, you know, right away. So I do this a lot, but I don't film like running and gunning with no hut. I just usually bring my sled out and I just look for spots. Well, that's a fun part for me, is to find spots and then come back later to them and just sit on them with the hut and be comfy. So, I don't mind running and gunning. Running and gunning's fun.
should hook up soon with a whitefish or a lake trout here. Yeah, there's one. Right on me. Got him. Got him. It's a big fish. It's a big fish. That's a big fish, boys. I don't know what I got, but it's big. But it's big. This thing is big, boys. This thing's big. That didn't take long at all. Came off. Nope, I still got him. I don't know if I snagged him or I don't feel head shake, so this is fighting me weird. Oh, it's a big fish. I don't think I'm gonna land this. It's a big fish. It's fighting me really, really weird. I can feel head shake, but not really. Almost fighting like a burbot. Loosen the drag on this thing. It might be a burbot, guys. It's at the hole here. What do we got? What do we got? It's right here. I think it's a burbot. I think I saw a fin there. It looks like a lake trout. I don't know. I don't think I hooked her well, to be honest with you guys. Because I didn't feel the bite. I felt the tension. That's got to be a lake trout. I think we might have a trout that's snagged, boys. That's what happened when you snag them. They don't head shake and they can swim like crazy and feel really heavy because you're bringing them back sideways instead of like this or like this. So I'm at the leader again. I don't think this fish is very big. I think I'm just bringing it back sideways. Yeah, I really think I hooked that fish sideways. He doesn't want to come. He really doesn't want to come. She's at the hole right now. Here she is. Got her. She wasn't even that big. See, I got her right here. It'd be really hard to hook a trout like this. So you got it. Not a big fish, but look at the color on this fish bite, guys. Isn't that pretty? So she got fall hooked right here on top here. So we're gonna release it right now. I don't keep fish, and if you were to keep this trout, she would need to go back down. It's not hooked properly, so probably won't even post the video because I'll get people whining and screaming. Time to pack her up. Next hole. 2. Last up there. Set up here should be 15 feet of water or something like that. Check it out. In the hut, and can't see bottom. I'm in like 19 feet of water. I had a big lake trout. You there, bro? Got him. Got him. Big lake trout, boys. Hey, James, I'll call you back. Yep. Here you go. I'm not worried about being tangled. So we hate the drifter on the way down. That's a big fish. And I only have 6-pound line. So this is the area last year where I had one spool me out. We're in 19 feet of water. That's 6 pounds. I gotta be so careful. And I can't lift her up, boys. I'm in for a fight, boys. I hope my camera's charged. And I hope you guys can see this. I'm finally gaining a little bit on her. Landing this on 6-pound test is gonna be hard. No, I got her in the mouth. She's fighting, she's fighting. So that fish is 12 feet below the hole. There she is, got her in the mouth. Big lake trout, boys. Big lake trout, woo! Yeah, baby. On the drifter, you guys can see her down there. I don't know if you guys can see this, but she's back on bottom. And I want to keep her off bottom. There's big boulders around here. She's right here. She's tangled up a little bit here. She's gonna go. Here we go. You guys see this? This is, you know, and my drag's tight. She's right here, boys. Here she comes. 6-pound test. You don't want her to dog around the hole. You want to give her some room, so you don't put as much tension on the rod. You wait for her head to come through. She's obviously hooked good. I can see her tail back there. Here she comes. Here's a big one, boys. It's a big one. Here she comes. Right in the tip, the snout. That's why you gotta use good hook. That's a natural. Woo, baby. What do you guys think of that? Hey? I don't know if you guys can see well, but I'm going with that footage. That's a good 12-pounder. You guys can see this fish. I'm gonna snap a couple of pictures and we'll be back. So we're gonna release this fish. Beauty fish. Take a slow-mo of that. Solid teener. Goes back in. She's gonna want to kick soon. I don't know if you guys can see her down there. Woo! That was fun, boys. Just got set up here. I was talking to my boy James. I said, hold on, there's a lake here. She chased me all the way up to the hole. Got the drifter down there and she choked it on bottom. He's back on it. Got him. Here we go, boys. Little whitefish. God, they're beautiful. We're in the hole. We're really shallow. There he is. So, light line that I didn't check, so that's a very small whitefish. Trout. I didn't even get the time to reset that bait. It's all crooked already. You know, little guy. That's a good eater. That's small. You know, natural. Goes back in. On the drifter. The drifter is unreal. Unreal.
What's up, guys? Got a bunch of fish today. You like the new head cam I've got on? Great angle for you guys to view the fish finder and everything as I catch them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and check out my other video right here, or subscribe right here. Cheese.